The visionary Vaidya set out on a journey of discovery, breakthroughs, knowledge, and a legacy of healing millions of people. 150 years and 5 generations later, Vaidya Krishna Shastri Puranik's journey continues, charting the way forward for a company that delivers holistic human wellness across the world. Panvel, today a bustling urban metro near Mumbai. But 150 years ago, just a sleepy village on the gateway to the Konkan. In 1866, a young Vaidya from the village of Rajapur set up his Ayurveda practice here. His name was Vaidya Krishna Shastri Puranik.
My great-grandfather, Vaidyanatha Krishna Shastri Puranik, started manufacturing Ayurvedic products. These products are manufactured by our company even now.
Vaidya Krishna Shastri resolved to work towards the standardization of Ayurvedic formulations and founded Sri Dhutapapeshwar Arogya Mandir. The new company was named after Lord Shiva, the presiding deity of the Puranic family.
जब धूतपापेश्वर की संकल्पना शुरू हुई तो यही सोचकर हुई कि यदि मरीजों को जहां भी वो हो वहां पर उचित दाम में उचित दवा यदि मिलनी है तो उसके लिए बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से बनाई हुई दवा ही काम करेगी। यदि हर वैद्य के पास उचित दवा जाए तभी जाकर आयुर्वेद के अपेक्षित गुण वो दवा दिखा सकेगी और इसलिए धूतपापेश्वर के वैद्य ने ये सोचा क्यों ना हम उचित पद्धति से बनाई हुई दवा उन तक पहुंचाए।
By the turn of the century, the company was under the stewardship of a new generation, led by Vaidya Vishnu Shastri Puranik. Vaidya Vishnu Shastri concentrated on expanding the scale of Ayurveda manufacturing to provide medicines to as many people as possible.
जब विष्णु शास्त्री पुराणिक जी ने कार्यभार संभाला तब उन्होंने मॉडर्नाइजेशन में बहुत रुचि ली। मॉडर्नाइजेशन विथ द कंप्लीट इथॉस बीइंग केप्ट अलाइव, जो मूल सिद्धांत हैं उनसे न हटते हुए ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को उचित और असली दवा हम पहुंचा सके।
An engineer by training, quality first and pharmacopoeia excellence were inherent in his vision. Ayurveda up until then was limited in its reach because manufacturing was a lengthy, time-consuming process. Vaidya Vishnu Shastri overcame this obstacle by innovating and mechanizing production processes. Hath khal, the traditional way of making Ayurveda, was augmented by machine khal, pioneered by Vaidya Vishnu Shastri.
Hath manufactures barely 2 to 3 kilos in a batch, while machine khal can manufacture up to 30 kilos, 15 times more than hath khal.
Such innovation allowed the manufacturing of larger batch sizes, enhancing the company's ability to provide greater volumes and a diverse variety of medicines. Soon, the company established trading depots in major cities in the western and northern regions of India.
उस समय आज जैसी सारी सुविधा नहीं थी और इसलिए ज्यादा करके पोस्ट पार्सल से दवाई भेजी जाती थी।
The company's portfolio of Ayurveda medications reached 400 by 1907, distributed through 100 agents spread across India. Sri Dhutapapeshwar's journey continued next under the leadership of Vaidya Rambhau Krishna Shastri Puranik, Vaidya Nana Sahib Puranik, and Vaidya Kaka Saheb Puranik.
जो भी पीढ़ियां धूत पापेश्वर में जिन्होंने काम संभाला, हर पीढ़ी ने अपना योगदान इस तरीके से दिया कि चारों ओर उसका गौरव फैले।
When Vaidya Krishna Shastri established the company, he knew that his new enterprise was organically linked to the Ayurveda community in India.
Ayurveda can only progress at the hands of a firm installation of the Ayurvedic physician. This is something that we take as a golden rule, and we are firmly committed to base our entire future in a close collaboration with the Ayurvedic fraternity.
The company began to engage with the Vaidya community very early on, promoting standardized and Shastra Shuddha Ayurveda medicines and supporting a holistic system of traditional healthcare.
वैद्य संगठन हमारे दृष्टि से बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। जब तक वैद्य अधिकाधिक सक्षम नहीं होते, तब तक आयुर्वेद सक्षम नहीं होगा।
In 1905, the Sri Dhutapapeshwar Mudranalaya was established. A printing and publishing concern, it was dedicated to the dissemination of knowledge on Ayurveda. In 1908, the company organized the second Akhil Bharatiya Vaidya Mahasammelan, an event that saw the participation of over 200 Vaidyas from across the country. Through the Sri Dhutapapeshwar Ayurveda Trust, established in 1933, the company has supported Ayurveda education, research and even hospital services. But the biggest feather in the cap of the company has been its attainment of a standardized portfolio of medications, a quality benchmark that remains unchallenged even today. The company had devoted decades of research and study into realizing the dream of standardization.
हर बार सवाल पूछा जाता है कि क्या आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयाँ सेफ हैं, सुरक्षित हैं? क्या उनमें वो सारी चीज़ें उपस्थित हैं जो ग्रंथ में कही गई थी या अपेक्षित है? इसी दृष्टिकोण को सामने रखकर जब हमने सोचा धूतपापेश्वर की दवा जो 1872 से बन रही है, उसमें क्या विशेषताएं हैं, वो लोगों के सामने रखें।
In 2001, it released the first edition of the Sri Dhutapapeshwar Standards, a 6-volume compendium of in-house standards of excellence.
Our ability to read the text, cogently understand the critique, and convert that into a manufacturing process that gives you batch-to-batch consistency is something that we have been very proud of. Our standards are available for all to see on our website, and these standards are always at a higher threshold than what the law of the land prescribes, which is our warranty to the Ayurvedic fraternity in the quality that we have inherently reposed in our formulations.
Today, SDL is an Ayurveda healthcare major with a growth rate twice that of the competition. The company has expanded its portfolio to include 16 classical dosage forms and over 100 pharmacopoeia-based rational patent formulations. With a 300-strong field force, Team SDL services its customers pan-India. SDL's subsidiary, Solumix Herbaceuticals Limited, was spun off as an independent company in 1998 and markets 28 branded products. The company's Rasayan manufacturing facilities in Panvel are augmented by a state-of-the-art factory in Bangalore, run by its technology-licensed vendor, Om Pharmaceuticals Limited. Established in 1994, it has received approvals from 9 overseas regulatory agencies. Today, it forms an integral part of the SDL production chain, where bulk Ayurveda actives manufactured in the Panvel Rasayan campus are formulated in an ISO-controlled, GMP-certified manufacturing site. The Panvel Rasayan campus of the company includes a dedicated research center which continually works on marking Sri Dhutapapeshwar standards to global benchmarks. The center houses state-of-the-art equipment and machinery, along with a skilled team of scientists.
Our research pipeline has projects that would add 40 new products to our classical portfolio, and a host of proof of concept studies will add new products to both Sri Dhut Papeshwar Limited and Solumix.
The lab boasts of an approved animal house and technical competence in clinical studies, vital evidence demanded from a tradition that has delivered for millennia. To address concerns of safety of its medications, the company has instituted strict due diligence procedures.
There are certain herbals and mineral raw materials which are known to be toxic and are poisonous. Our laboratory confirms that the Shodhan Vidhi has been done diligently and as per our in-house SDS quality norms.
Safety is an important warranty to our consumers and has been addressed squarely.
Mindful of its heritage and ready for the challenges that tomorrow presents, SDL's engagement with Ayurveda knowledge continues. Fresh ideas and new avenues are driving SDL forward.
We see Ayurveda as a medical system being accepted the world over. This is an opportunity for us, and we foresee being one of the first Ayurveda classical multinationals.
आयुर्वेद के बिना दवाइयाँ ज़रूर असर दिखाती है, लेकिन दूरगामी असर जो दीर्घ काल तक फ़ायदा दे वो नहीं हो पाता, और इसीलिए आयुर्वेद के प्रति लोगों का रुझान और बढ़ गया है.
Resilient, relevant, respected and reliable, SDL is all this and more. With new products, path-breaking research and a growing international presence, the company continues to redefine Ayurveda in the 21st century.
We deliver cure. Our medicines are meant to mitigate disease. We bring about systemic benefits through our medicines. We deliver therapeutic efficacy, and as a company, we would always remain completely focused on effective medicine.